Construction teams face new challenges on every project, and the managing and tracking of construction assets, including system components, movable equipment, building materials, or even rooms or areas, can be time-consuming, and if not done correctly, can lead to costly schedule delays and unhappy owners. With assets, teams can now easily track key milestones in the asset lifecycle from design to delivery, through installation and commissioning, and ultimately through project handover, providing valuable data for use in operations. Let's take a look at how assets can help teams start improving project visibility and saving time today. Teams can quickly get started with the ability to import an existing asset list from Excel. This can be done simply by downloading the Excel template, mapping your asset data, and then selecting that new populated file to import back into Autodesk Build. Through the project settings, teams can create custom status sets and change the colors of those statutes. They can also create custom attributes, like order date or delivery date, to fit their particular needs, as well as define a list of asset categories the team wants to use for each asset type. Since Assets is built on a common data platform, accessing all documentation related to a specific asset, including product information such as cut sheets, certifications, training materials, operations and maintenance manuals, as well as warranty documents, is easy, and it is all linked back to a centralized repository of project documents. Having this centralized and connected storage also means that teams can spend less time finding the right documentation for handover, since all information is organized and tied back to each particular asset. Another benefit to using a cloud platform is the ability to connect assets to existing field management workflows, like issues or forms. Within the Asset Flyout panel, teams can create a new issue or form or link to existing ones as well. This ensures all relevant information is linked to any asset and allows for a historical record across the lifecycle of an asset. With the ability to scan a barcode or QR code on a piece of equipment from a mobile device, teams can effortlessly complete relevant inspections as well as quickly pull up asset information. This also helps streamline the handover process, allowing barcodes and QR codes to be used during operations as well. As you are walking around the job site, quickly document any defects by capturing issues and photos and attaching them directly to an asset. This helps team members in the office to see and resolve any defects as early as possible. Similarly, teams can also complete any on-site inspections or testing by viewing asset information and updating the associated inspection or testing form, all from a mobile device. This streamlines the commissioning process and saves time for the project team and commissioning agents. Start using assets today and see how you can enhance project status visibility, accelerate commissioning, and improve handover.